Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. And today you guys can tell by the title of the video that we are going to be talking about Quant. It's time for our Quant review, so let's waste no more time and get right into that. Looking at the price of Quant right now, currently trading at $125.55, about 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 0.1% in Bitcoin and about 0.3% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. But let's forget about that and look at the market valuation. So compared to my previous update, Quant has not changed much in terms of the market valuation and even price, currently sitting at the market valuation currently sitting at $1.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $39.7 million. So far, so good. But now we're here for the price. What are some next price targets we should be looking at? Where is the price going in the immediate short term? Those are the questions that you guys are here for whenever we're doing the price analysis. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. Before I do get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So once again, we are seeing the price of Quant remain in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So if you want to know what the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is, it's this blue zone. And the reason as to why it's holding quite well around this support line is because, we have some support built up around here since February of last year. So you guys can see this is playing as a level of support for us right now. But I've told you guys the strength Quant has, despite the fact that, Bitcoin does see volatility. We have seen Quant hold really well and even outperform Bitcoin during the most volatile times. So Quant is one of the projects that, I believe is going to be one of the top performers this bull cycle. A lot of people are on the same page. A lot of analysts are on the same page of this. Overall, people are saying that Quant has shown such a positive strength to everyone, even in the bear market, that you can see that this project has all-time high written for it everywhere. And I always like telling people, diversification is your number one thing you need to know, and obviously patience. So if you have a few Quant, that is definitely good. And again, only invest what you can afford to lose. I've always said that, and I'll say it again. But remember, Quant hit an all-time high of $431 back on September of 2021. So if you are bringing out the measuring tool and kind of see where the price is currently sitting at, it's down about 70% since then. So you are basically getting, if I bring, actually, let's go here. You're basically getting one Quant for the price. So basically, if you had, let's say you took profits, right? Let's just say you took profits around this all-time high at $430 and you're buying up Quant now, you're getting 3 Quants instead of 1. So that should give you a better perspective as to what really is going on. And I've said this and I'll say it again, Quant obviously does need to hold this blue zone. We have to hold this. And obviously Bitcoin price should not be ignored at all. We need to see what Bitcoin does. Obviously, you guys know on my channel how Bitcoin is $22,000, the most important level for Bitcoin, and we have seen that play as a support level, which is huge. And you can literally see, you cannot make this up. I'll show this to you guys right now so you guys get a better perspective as to what I'm talking about. You can see we literally touched 22k and saw a bounce towards the upside. And if you're a regular viewer on my channel, you know how important this level is for me. But obviously number one is for this to hold, and obviously if it goes below this yearly higher low, which was at 21,400, then upward trend gets invalidated. So that can affect the entire markets, and obviously Quant is no exception. But overall, Quant has been holding really strongly. If Quant were to fall below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I might pick 2 or 3 up for myself. But like I said, Quant is looking quite well, but we need for the price to go above this $155 level of resistance for the fireworks to really begin. So if you want to have that question answered, when do you think, again, this is just all speculation, but if I were to say when the real fun begins, that's once we break out of this level of resistance, which is at $155. So things are looking quite well for Quant. I've always said that, I'll say it again, but obviously Bitcoin price should not be ignored. And one thing I do want you guys to keep in mind is QNT went all the way up to $131. So literally people are buying QNT as we speak, but obviously patience is your number one key to follow, and diversification is number one key. And that is it for today's update for QNT. So far so good. I need to remain in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we will take it from there. See you guys on Tuesday for the QNT update. I love you all and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.